This is example number 20. A square pyramid with side of base 40 mm and axis 65 mm long is such that its axis is inclined at 45 degree to VP and parallel to HP. Draw the projections. So here also we are having a square pyramid of side 40 mm and the axis height 65 mm. It is given that it is inclined at 45 degree to VP. So you need to remember that the inclination is given with respect to VP. So we have to tilt the top view of this square pyramid. Tilt means first we have to assume that the square pyramid is resting directly on the VP, because the angle of inclination is given with respect to the VP. So we have to first assume that the square pyramid is directly resting with its base on VP, and then we have to tilt that top view. And now we will see how to imagine this first. Now on your screen, the square pyramid is directly resting on the horizontal plane. But in this question, angle is given with respect to the VP. So we will first assume that it is directly resting on the VP with its base. So I will make this square pyramid to rest on the VP. Actually, it is not. It is just an assumption. And the front view will be a square, top view will be a triangle. We will draw this first. So this is the top view, but here the angle is given. So I am rotating it with respect to VP. This is going to be a final top view triangle. And in the front view, you will see something like this. So as I said that first we have to assume to be resting on the HP with its face and perpendicular axis perpendicular to the VP. We will get a square in the front view which will be exactly on the XY line. See that I will mark XY here. Center. This is our central point. The axis line. So I am somewhere here. I am taking some gap and I am drawing the top view. And observe that I am drawing this with the 2H pencil. So now I will tilt this to the given angle, as the angle is given to the at 45 degree. So first we need to draw the axis line at an angle of 45 degree. From here we can take anywhere from here. So this is 45, 0 to 45 degree, and I will draw the axis line directly. I am aligning this with the axis line, again taking somewhere here 40 mm. Now I will draw this with the 2H pencil because this is our answer, and the axis height is 65 mm. This is our actual top view. Now I have to take the projection lines. The apex point also from the front view, the center. So again I will mark some reference points: 1, 2, 3, 4, 1 dash, 3 dash, 2 dash, 4 dash, center. You can name the center O as you wish. So here if I have tilted this in this direction, so this will become 2 dash, 4 dash and 1 dash, 2 dash. So 1 is coming from here and 1 is coming from here. This is your first point. Sorry, this is 3 dash. So this is 3, 2 and 4 and the apex point, because this is coming from this side, center.
Since it is visible from the front view, I have to take all the lines, draw all the lines dark only, and then I have to join this portion also because this is also visible. These two edges will not be visible as we have already seen. So I will draw this in dashed lines or hidden lines. This completes our front view also. As per the dimensioning part, this is your 45-degree angle, and the square base is 40. Hence our question exercise number 20 is completed.
Now this is the final solution of your question. As you can see here, this is the assumed square pyramid on the vertical plane, and you can see the top view being tilted here. So this is the final solution, and you can I, I will tell you one more time that these hidden lines are due to the fact that this edge will be not visible from the front view. So this is the front view, and this the square base will have four edges. These three edges are visible from the front, but this edge will not be visible. That is why this is in hidden lines, as we have discussed also. So this is the solution of your question number 20.